Hey Rhythm Nation, Ollie, Heath here, taking you behind the beat of one of my favourite apps of all time, Incredibox. Now, if you have heard it before, you know why I love this app so much. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to open those incredible bonuses that you've probably heard before. And those bonuses are going to blow you away. So let's get into it. This is Alive. I'm going to demonstrate how you can use it to open up those incredible bonuses. And these bonuses can be opened up in exactly the same way in every single version. There are 6 in total, and I recommend you try all of them. So that is cool. So let's now dive straight in to Alive. Now, all you've got to do to create your music is drag any one of those icons at the bottom into any character here. Now, I'm a beatboxer and I create different sounds and layer them on exactly the same way with a loop station. La la la, yeah. And today you can create your very own sounds just like this. All you got to do is drag them in and drop them. Now you can drag up to as many as you have fingers. I'm only dragging up to 2 or 3 because I only have a few fingers ready. On one of those circles at the top, and as you can see, some of the characters are now in shadow. You want to drag those away. Now, as you can see, I'm dragging in these new icons. And as soon as those icons are dragged in, you press the green button again, and the bonus begins. So to drag one down, you create space for another. Simple as that. Now I know you're desperate to find out what the next bonus does, so let's find out now. Hold the second circle, drag down any character in shadow.
Better hurry, no, better, yeah. Hurry, hurry. Are you ready? Pump it up.
Everybody gotta take a look in the mirror. You gotta see I got the skill. You better know the number one. Get ready. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Let me train, let me train you. Let's be fame, let's be famous. Can you fly, man, on the main plane? All the rain monsters, the mountains cry. Over my brain, there is no sky.
Better. Love it.
No, better.
So now we're going to go straight into bonus number 3. Hold down that circle, drag down those characters in shadow, and then drag in those extra bonus sounds.
You got it, don't let it stay. You came for what they claim, but you know that the key is not the name, and the money you came for is not a friend, cause only you, if you try, can free your mind.
Now you've seen all the bonuses, you can slowly drag away one sound at a time. Create a fade. And there we go, Incredibox. I love Incredibox, and I'm sure you do too. So all you got to do to get it is click on the link below. It will take you to the App Store. And if you want to have a go on it for free, then just type into any computer or laptop Incredibox.com. Have a go for free. See if you like it. If you do, then buy it on any device. Now, if you love that as much as I do, then I know that you're going to want to try some other amazing music apps. And this is where I come in. I'll be teaching you lots of different apps very regularly on this channel. So subscribe. And if you want to be the first to hear about that new app, then hit that bell. And in the meantime, listen with care, because you're going to find that inspiration and music is truly everywhere. Keep making beats, people. See you soon, Rhythm Nation.